Hi, I'm Dennis from Accountants Desktop. This video will demonstrate our Division 7A loan calculator and associated loan register. These calculators will help you manage your client's Division 7A loan obligations under an unsecured loan for a period of up to 7 years. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below, and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Every practice has their share of clients with Division 7A loan problems, so it's no surprise that this calculator is one of our most popular downloads. Using these calculators, you can prepare the loan agreement, which is built into the calculator, calculate minimum repayments, loan interest and closing balances for each year of the loan. Where applicable, calculate any deemed dividends, calculate a payout figure if the client wants to pay out the loan early. You can even amortise the loan using your own interest rate, and this will not affect the Division 7A loan calculations. And finally, you can use our separate Division 7A loan register to summarise multiple loans for multiple years by the same company. Let's take a look at a sample file. This is the loan summary sheet in our loan calculator. At this sheet, you enter details about the loan itself, details about the company, and details about the borrower. All of this information is used to populate the loan agreement. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a loan amortisation summary. The interest rate for the first year of the loan will be shown here. But for future years, you'll need to manually enter the interest rates, which are announced by the ATO in June of each year. This is the loan agreement prepared by our legal advisors, which is populated with details from the summary sheet. It's important to use the print button at the top of the sheet to print this agreement. This ensures that only the relevant parts of the signing page are printed. For each year of the loan, you enter the actual repayments from the client's general ledger. At the Year 1 sheet in our sample, you can see a repayment entered under transactions. To the right, you can see a Division 7A summary showing the minimum payment required and the actual payments made. In our example, the loan repayment has exceeded the minimum required, so there's no deemed dividend. And you can see a loan amortisation summary below that. Looking at Year 2 in our example, you can see a repayment made in the transactions table. In the summary to the right, you can also see for this year the minimum repayment has not been made and a deemed dividend has been calculated. And in Year 3, the client has decided to pay out this loan on the 31st of March. So I've entered that date, and the worksheet has calculated the payout amount and interest to the payout date. To the right under the loan amortisation summary, you can see that the closing balance of the loan at the 31st of March is now zero. And now looking at the separate Division 7A loan register, you can see that I've copied the data from each Division 7A loan file for this client. And looking at the summary sheet, you can see an interactive dashboard which will allow you to view any combinations of the year of the loan, the transaction years, and the borrower to reconcile this information with your general ledger. So that's a very quick solution to the onerous task of managing your client's Division 7A loan obligations. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. My details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact me for any further information.